What's your name and what company are you with?
Madison and Northern Choo. We completed the stairs and all the expanded metal for the walkways and then the railings around the train. And we're starting on working on the windows. And then we also did the vents for the sides for the detailing.
Perfect. Any issues?
Yeah, everyone's lost motivation. So it was hard to get everyone to have all their hands on deck. And yeah, that's all the problems we've had so far.
How did you deal with that?
Well, I was sick last week for half of it, so I didn't really deal with it all too well, but I had a stern talk with them at the end of the week of what I wanted done, and they made sure they got to that goal.
Perfect. And what happened with one of your guys trying to be poached last week?
Yeah, we had a little bit of a disagreement there, and I was okay with him leaving because maybe that'd motivate our team to actually work a little harder, but he ended up staying on our team in the end. They really wanted him to stay, so yeah.
My name is Kayla, and I'm with Motley Choo.
Motley Choo. What did you do while you were the general manager?
I tried to coach one of the other company's workers, their best worker, made an offer, and bought him donuts. Didn't work. He went freelance, but I tried.
That's fair. What did your crew do last week in terms of the train?
Last week we started getting all the details together for the train cab. Finished up the flatbed trailer that goes with it.
Right on. Any challenges?
Nothing we couldn't handle.
Nothing you can handle.